Canon EOS Rebel T6 DSLR camera with 18 to 55mm is 2-lens bundle plus Canon of 75 to 300mm f/4.5.63 lens and 500mm preset lens plus 32GB memory plus filters plus monopod plus spider tripod plus professional bundle. Comprising a versatile set of imaging capabilities along with support for a connected workflow, the EOS Rebel T6 from Canon is a compact, sleek DSLR featuring an 18MP APS-C CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor. Combined, these two technologies avail rich image quality with reduced noise, along with a native sensitivity range of ISO 100/6400 that can be further expanded to ISO 12800 to suit working in low and difficult lighting conditions. The sensor and processor also enable the ability to shoot continuously at 3 fps for photographing moving subjects, as well as recording full HD 1080p/30 video. The rear 3.0 inches 920K LCD offers a bright, clear image and built-in Wi-Fi with NFC also offers the ability to wirelessly share imagery from your camera to a linked mobile device for instant online sharing. This paging zone bundle includes Canon EOS Rebel T6 DSLR camera, Canon FS 18 to 55mm f/3.55.6 is 2-lens. Canon of 75 to 300mm f/4.5.63 lens. 500mm preset telephoto lens. T-mount adapter for 500mm lens. Canon battery. Canon worldwide battery charger. Canon neck strap. Canon body and lens caps. Canon iCup. IFC 130U interface cable. 2 pieces tulip lens hoods for Canon lenses. SanDisk 32GB high-speed memory card. Commander UV filter for Canon lenses. A Commander 3-piece 58mm HD filter kit, UV, CPL, FLD. Commander wired remote. Commander memory card reader. Commander monopod. Commander flexible spider tripod. Commander lens cap keeper. Commander camera grip strap. High quality camera shoulder bag. Electronic slave flash. This Canon camera bundle comes with manufacturer supplied accessories and 1-year Canon USA warranty. This is what customers who purchased this amazing kit said about this great deal.
I love this camera. I've been a long-time fan of Canon Rebel SLR. I was worried the digital model wouldn't live up to its predecessor. My worries were unfounded. Everything about this camera is wonderful. Easy to figure out. I recommend spending several days with the camera just trying out all the features and functions before using it for an important event, because there are so many enhancements and possibilities. You could just put it on auto and get fantastic pictures, but then what would be the point of buying a camera with so many great features? The lenses included in this bundle are all great. The 500mm, I didn't think I'd use, but it's been so fun taking pics of the moon. It takes time to get used to the light balance if you are used to film cameras, so practice with it if that's how you started. If you started on digital cameras, you won't have any problems. The camera bag is too small to hold everything that comes with it, so if you want to take everything with you, get a bigger bag. The bag isn't waterproof, either. Just water resistant. So a good, large, waterproof camera bag is a good additional purchase. You can't go wrong with this bundle. I was so nervous buying something this expensive online, but I'm so happy I bought it. Included a few photos I've taken with it since buying it in June. The moon is with 500mm lens, manual setting W/250 shutter speed, on tripod using the included shutter cord/button. The other pics are in Colorado.
This Canon camera bundle comes with manufacturer supplied accessories and 1-year Canon USA warranty. Canon EOS Rebel T6 DSLR camera, 18MP APS-C CMOS sensor, Digic 4 Plus image processor -3.0 inches 920K LCD monitor, Full HD 1080p video recording at 30 fps, 9-point AF with center cross tight point, extended ISO 12800, 3 fps shooting, built-in Wi-Fi within FC, Scene Intelligent Auto Mode, Basic Plus and Creative Auto Modes. Canon FS 18 to 55mm f/3.55.6 is 2-lens is a sleek and flexible option for everyday shooting. Spanning a 28.8 to 88mm equivalent focal length range, this lens covers wide-angle to portrait length perspectives plus Canon f75 to 300mm f/45.63 lens plus 500mm f/8 telephoto preset lens. SanDisk 32GB SDHC memory cards, camera shoulder case, slave flash, high-definition UV filters, high-speed USB card reader. The bundle also includes many high-quality accessories like HD filter kit, monopod, flexible spider tripod, T-mount for 500mm lens and more.